Hi guys, Glama here. Thank you for joining me here at Glam It Up with Glama. And today I've got another tip. So you know how you get the in-betweens where you haven't colored your hair and you end up looking like a skunk? Well, I've got a little solution for that. If you don't have time to color your hair and you suddenly have an appointment you need to go to, or you got asked out on a date, or you're just going out with your husband, or you're just tired of looking at the gray. So what I'm going to show you is not made for this, but it's just something that I've come up with. But they do actually make something for this that's almost exactly the same thing, only they label it as something like cover your grays or whatever, and it's way more expensive than what I'm going to show you. And my sister bought the actual one that's for coloring your hair, and I thought, hey, that looks just like what I have in my makeup kit. So about 2 or 3 months ago I tried it, and I kept telling myself, I need to show my ladies this. I need to show my Glama beauties this little trick in case y'all haven't heard of it before. You probably have, but me, hey, I hear about things way after the fact. But anyway, my hair looks really bad. This is me after a shower, and that's because I'm going to do another tutorial after this one. I'm going to eat first because I am starving. So what I'm going to do is just use mascara. And I'm sure some of y'all have tried this. This is the kind of mascara that I use, and it doesn't exactly feel the greatest, because it does leave it a little bit kind of hard a little bit, but hey, when we use hairspray, that's how our hair feels, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you a very quick way. See, you can already start to see, look, wow, can already see it happening, and you just barely have to brush it lightly, you know. So you could just leave it at that. Probably can't tell. Okay, now you can tell because the glare of the window wasn't letting it show that that's what that is. But yeah, watch. Awesome. Hope I don't get it. Try not to touch your actual scalp, because then it shows it shows too dark on your scalp. Kind of like when you dye your hair and you get it on your skin. I usually don't go this far back because usually I'm just doing it for a really quick tip. Okay, you can't tell because of the glare of the window, but see, look, it's gone. The grays are gone. Yay. And look, okay, let me see if I can, maybe if I get closer you'll be able to tell better. See, you see that little part right there? Let me see if I can get that. It's a nice little tip, don't you think? But you'll see, try it, trust me, it works. And which is good that oh, see, look at that side versus that side. See, look at that side versus this side. See how I look bald because of all that gray? And look at that. Yay! So that's the tip of the day, guys. So yeah, this is just a nice little quick tip. Even if you're just going to take a selfie and you're like, ooh, I got grays right now, let me cover that real quick. Just go get your mascara and cover that up. So you see, major difference. Look at that versus that. I look like a crazy woman. Ju is a crazy woman. Okay, so there's that side. And look at that side. Look how light that is. And look, I look a little more normal on this side. I didn't go all the way down here, so, but yeah, look at that. Awesome. Versus that. That versus that. If you want, share pictures too. If you have any other simple, quick tips that doesn't cost a lot of money, share them. Because we all want to know all the tips and tricks to make us look younger and beautiful so we can feel good inside. Don't forget though, beauty isn't just on the outside. You got to feel good on the inside. This is just to help us feel a little better. Alright guys, thank you for joining me here at Glam It Up with Glama. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, Glama Beauties. Mwah!